For over 6 decades, Belvac has stood as a pioneering force in the metal container manufacturing industry, continually pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. Their story begins in 1962, when Belgium Tool and Die was founded in Lynchburg, Virginia, by Alphonse Stroomboens, a visionary Belgian immigrant. With a steadfast commitment to quality, craftsmanship, and entrepreneurial spirit, the company laid a robust foundation for what would become a transformative journey for the can-making industry. In 1975, Belvac unveiled a groundbreaking rotary can trimming machine, marking their entry into the global marketplace and leading to the inception of Belvac production machinery. This success paved the way for their bottom rim coating machine in 1978 and set the stage for continual advancements. The acquisition of Irvin Industries' Colorado division in 1982 was a pivotal moment in the company's history. Irvin Industries originally manufactured the necking technology that Coors utilized in their initial DNI can-making plant. Belvac applied their unparalleled standards and innovative improvements to the original Irvin design, which resulted in the creation of Belvac's first neckers. Since then, their equipment has become synonymous with excellence worldwide, constantly setting new production standards and improving the can-making industry. Belvac's journey took a significant turn in 1993 when they joined forces with Dover Industries, propelling them onto an exciting path of global expansion. By 2004, their reach extended into Europe with the opening of the Czech Republic office, and in 2005, they launched the first bottle can manufacturing system, adapting to the growing market demands. Seeing an opportunity to offer customers a more holistic package, Belvac developed their initial turnkey integration solutions in 2010. The years that followed were marked by strategic expansions and acquisitions, including introducing container shaping technology in addition to establishing offices in China and Dubai in 2012. An acquisition of Xylem Ceramics in 2015 brought tooling capabilities in-house, reducing lead times and costs for customers. In 2017, Belvac further expanded their international reach by establishing an office in Brazil. In 2018, a partnership with Schuler expanded their product offerings with peppers and body makers, while acquiring Rosario Technologies added decorating solutions to their vastly growing portfolio. In 2021, Belvac commissioned their on-site can-making pilot line to further support container engineering services and turnkey integration offerings. Their collaboration and subsequent acquisition of Arc Pacific culminated in a comprehensive suite of solutions, offering customers unmatched expertise and integration. As Belvac forges ahead, they remain at the forefront of innovation, championing efficiency and sustainability. Belvac is committed to continually advancing the can-making industry while building trusted partnerships, ensuring their legacy as a leader in advanced manufacturing solutions continues for generations to come.